Hello everyone, my name is Henry. I have graduated from Shaoxing University. Although my major was Japanese, I also loved learning English. After graduating, I worked in Tokyo, Japan for over 2 years. My job was exporting Japan's measuring instruments to Southeast Asia, which includes clients from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. During this job, I have mastered many essential techniques for successful international negotiations. I also have many experience as a translator, which includes scenarios like visiting new companies and new factories, exhibitions and business meetings. I'm very confident that my techniques and my experience will help you and your business with foreigners impressively. I would be much appreciated if you could offer me the chance. Thank you very much.